I fixed this problem on over 30 money trees, and almost all of them had yellow leaves for the same reason. Here's the strange part. It was not because of watering too much. In fact, most people try to fix this and make it worse. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the exact cause, how to confirm it in 10 seconds, and the fast fix that actually works. Quick test. When you water, does the water run straight through the pot? Or does the soil stay wet for days? Because both point to the same issue, and most people miss it. The number one reason money trees get yellow leaves is poor root oxygen, not too much water by itself, but soil that stays wet and suffocates the roots. And here's the tricky part. You can be watering normally and still slowly drowning the plant. Here's how to confirm it right now. Lift the pot. If it feels heavy for days after watering, the soil isn't drying. Check the top 2 inches. If the top is dry, but the pot still feels heavy, the bottom is staying wet and roots are struggling. Smell the soil. If you get a musty, swampy smell, that's a red flag. If you have even 2 of these signs, it's root oxygen. Now the fast fix. Step 1. Pause watering. Don't water again until the pot feels light. Step 2. Give it brighter indirect light. Light helps the plant use water faster. Step 3. Increase airflow. A small fan nearby for a few hours a day helps the soil dry evenly. Step 4. If your pot has no drainage hole, that's the emergency. Move it to a pot with drainage. Today. Here's what confuses people. They say, I don't water much, but the soil is so dense that even a little water stays trapped. So if you see yellow leaves plus slow growth, your solution is not less water forever. Your solution is better drainage and more air in the soil. Repot only if the soil stays wet more than 5 to 7 days, or yellow leaves keep spreading weakly, or the pot smells bad. If you repot, use a chunkier mix. Potting soil plus perlite plus orchid bark. That mix keeps roots breathing. And one more thing. A single old leaf turning yellow occasionally can be normal. But if you're seeing multiple yellow leaves, it's almost always a root oxygen issue. If you want the full step-by-step money tree care guide, light, watering, and every common problem, watch my full video next. It's linked on the screen.